Hey guys, today is Wednesday, October 20th, and we are going to go over our math. So yesterday we talked all about how we can pair up and match items to see which group is fewer or less, and which group is greater or more. So the two that I asked you to do by yourself yesterday was number 3, which had the red peppers and the peas. And so for number 3, I asked you to count the red peppers and write the number, count the peas and write the number, and then we had to draw more peas to make it equal or the same. So first, let's count the red peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 red peppers, so I wrote 6. Now I'm going to count the peas. 1, 2, 3. 3 peas. So I write the number 3. So I have 3 peas and I have 6 red peppers. I'm not done though. They want me to draw more peas to make it equal. So if I have to make it equal, that means when I pair them up, they all get a partner. So I paired pepper with a pea, pepper with a pea, pepper with a pea, and now I need to draw another one. I can't draw peas. Is it okay if I just draw a circle? Sure. So now he gets a partner. I'm going to draw another one. Now he gets a partner. And I'm going to draw another one. Now he gets a partner. So how many more did I have to draw, boys and girls? I had to draw 1, 2, 3. I had to have 3 more peas to make them equal. So now that I drew that, now they are both 6. They're both equal. Okay? Now, turn the page. On the back, number 4. I asked you to count the corn seeds and count the tomato seeds and then write the numbers. Let's count the corn seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 corn seeds. So I'm going to write 10, which is the 1 on the left, 0 on the right. That is 10. Now I'm going to count my tomato seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tomato seeds. So I'm going to write 7. Okay, so I have 10 corn seeds and 7 tomato seeds. And they want us to put an X on the number that is less. Remember, less means the smaller amount. So if I have 10 corn seeds and I have 7 tomato seeds, which one is less? Well, if you still don't know, you can pair them up. Pair them up. Give a corn to a tomato. Everyone gets a partner. Pair them up. Uh-oh, I ran out of tomatoes. I have more corn. That means I have less tomatoes. A smaller amount of tomatoes. So I'm going to put an X over 7 because 7 is less than 10. All right. Today's math lesson is going to be lesson 4.3, okay? And it is on page 149 and also on page 151. So if you need to, go in your folder and get this out with a pencil, please, these 2 pages. It's lesson 4.3. And push pause on the video and then push play once you're ready. If you're all ready, then we can go ahead and begin. So what we're going to do is we are going to compare groups to 10 By counting. So that's what we're going to do today. We are just going to simply count. We are not going to match or pair them up. We're just going to count. Okay, so let's take a look. The class aquarium has two kinds of fish, goldfish and tetras. We're going to count each fish to show how many of each kind. Okay, so if we were in the class, we would have counters to put on top of each fish. But since we don't, we're just going to mark it with our pencil or our mark. Okay, so let's count the goldfish first, and then we're going to write the number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't forget him, 7. I have 7 goldfish, so I'm going to write the number 7. There it is. Now I need to count the tetras. The tetras. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 tetras. So I'm going to write 9. Okay, I have 7 goldfish. I have 9 tetras. Okay. Draw a circle around the fish that has a number that is greater than the other. So now we're going to focus on greater. Remember, greater means bigger or more. So are there more goldfish? They have 7. Or are there more tetras? 9. Well, boys and girls, when you think about counting, think about which number comes after. All right, so this might help you too. Ready? Watch me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these numbers are in order from left to right. Now, if we start with 0, we have none, right? But then as we go on, we get more and more and more. The number gets bigger, the amount gets bigger as we count on. Okay, so look at 7, which is right here. And look at 9, which is right here. So if we go just like readers from left to right, which number is first? So let's go down the line. There's 7. 7 comes before 9. 9 comes after 7. So that tells me that 9 is bigger than 7. 7 is less than 9. It comes first. Okay? So you go in order from left to right. Oh, 7 is first, so it's less than 9. Okay? So 7 is less, which means that 9 is bigger. It's greater. So you're going to circle the 9 because 9 is greater or bigger than 7. All right, so let's turn the page. Right here. Here we go. So they have some frogs and some hermit crabs. And what she did was she counted the frogs and hermit crabs and wrote their numbers. So she counted 8 hermit crabs and she counted 6 frogs. Okay, and she wrote the number. So look what she did. She wrote the numbers from left to right like I did. So what she did was she had to figure out which number was greater. So she started with 1 And she went and counted on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 came first, then 7, then 8. 8 is greater or bigger because it is after 6. Because you got to go in order like you're counting. So 6 came first, so it's fewer or